Okay, so now we're gonna review the swing set from Flexible, from Creative Fun. We're gonna take you step by step and let's see, hopefully it has good instructions. The tools required: it says standard screwdriver, adjustable wrench, pliers, Allen wrench, and it doesn't have anchors included. So let's get cracking. Open up the box and see what it includes. Okay, after removing the tie straps, what do we see in here? Some blue color. Fit nicely. Okay, thanks. So we have, I think that's the foot swing. This is the foot part swing.
Something for you.
Foot part swing. And then we have the actual. Making us a swing set.
Swing set.
There's instructions. Strip of fun. See if you have all the parts. This is the actual swing. Separately. There's the two seats. So there should be two seats, two swing seats, and a standing one. So that's the three, and then a bag of parts. Is it numbered? Hopefully they're individually numbered.
Yeah, sit in the shade, you could see. Yeah, sit in there.
Okay. Let's get stuff out of the box first. It looks like, oh, looks like we do have anchors. I think these are anchors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they look like stakes. So. Part. This is a slide. Is it upward? Material is not too. Hopefully, it doesn't get too hot. It's plastic. This is the teeter-totter. Teeter-totter. This looks like parts of the top. Let's take the parts out. So they are individually numbered. So hopefully the instructions won't be too hard to follow. So we're just going to lay them out according to the instruction sheet, so that way we know all the parts. Okay, the first page: tools needed, your wrench, screwdriver, hammer, tape measure, Allen wrench, alignment rod. Anchors included. I guess that's be able to move the gym set at a future date. By anchoring your set with ground anchors, you will be able to remove your gym set at a future date. This method is suitable for hard soil, clay, etc. Well, make it work. It says here, remove all parts from the cartoon, arrange in an orderly fashion, check carton for additional instructions and hardware bag. And it has a important. This hardware bag may include additional components not needed for the assembly of your swing set. Please use the hardware shown in your assembly manual. Alright, and we have here a Updates to the seesaw assembly. Please use the standard. It's a 1/4 by 20 by 1 inch B2 bolts. And assembly instruction below for assembly of the seesaw. Do not use the 1/4 by 20 by 1.5, which is a B3 bolt provided in the hardware bag. Due to the manufacturing changes, use the B3 barrel nut. Will not allow proper tightening. So I guess we're using this one. This is an update to it. So which bag are you talking about? The original bag, or maybe this is the updated? Okay, so we gotta use this attached bolt instead of the one that's in the big bag, B3. Alright, got it. Seesaw assembly. Attach bushing and bushing bracket to seesaw arm and seesaw bar. Okay, so this is what they call B2 bolt. So this is the B2 bolt right here. Let's look at the parts and see if it's numbered. Arrange this mess. Okay, now I think I got it laid out. I think it's color coded pretty nice, so it makes it easy. Top bar is the top bar is blue. 2 side poles are cream. And then the middle bars are blue. And then the slide, obviously. And then the 2 side bars for the slide and the 2 steps. And of course, the arrangement from the picture. The swing, the foot swing, and another swing. And the seesaw attachment to the end. The 2 brackets for the 2 ends. And I don't know what this part is. We'll figure it out as we go. Okay, let's get started. Okay, in our bag, we have it labeled individually. So we have the deluxe trapeze assembly, wave slide assembly, A-frame assembly parts, seesaw assembly parts, ear glider assembly. Which one do we do first? Probably the middle. So seesaw. Let's do the seesaw assembly. No, seesaw's on the side. The last seesaw and slide we do last. Those are 2 extra parts. A-frame. This looks like a part we can work on. Get the bulk of the part ready. So in the bag, all the parts are mixed up. Sort of separated them so I can have an idea, see what they are. And these little caps, black caps, they call these P3s. These thingies they call P2. These are the washer, which is W2. These little smaller washers are N2s, 5 by 16. These are 3 by 8s. These, I think they call these. Oh, it's the top of the N2. Oh, okay. This is the 5 by 16 N2. So N2, then N2, then W2. So I guess I put this into the washer. That into the washer, and then P2 SB, which is a swing bearing. So these are swing bearings. So this washer. Alright, let's get this started. So they say, okay, N2 washer, top bar, P2 SB, P4. So that would be washer with nut into the top bar. Nut holes for the swing bearings are round on the top of the top bar. So I guess round, and this is the slotted, I guess. Oh, we'll find out. So the holes goes into the round hole, the slotted hole. So P2 would be, this assembly would be P2. Let's see. goes in there. So it goes in each one of these, I guess. So the finished product looks like that. And slotted at the bottom. When attaching the swing bearings, insert end two barrel nut into the round hole and insert swing bearing into the slotted hole. I guess it does make sense. This has a slotted. This goes in here and there. So, slotted hole in there. And this will be able to fit in there. I'm gonna high tight it.
Yeah, it's looking curly like.
Okay, so now these bars are on there. I went ahead and do whichever I see the holes on. So hopefully that is the right thing. Just hand tighten it. No, I guess you don't hand tighten. You don't wrench, Allen wrench tighten it until it's actually done. So they're all hand tightened, and let's see our next step. So that is that. Step number 2, insert plug into the ends of the top bar, which in, I guess is this top bar. Okie dokie. 2 of these. Okay, I think I got the parts of the next part. I need 4 of these, 4 of these, 2 of these. The most difficult part was finding these big bolts from here. So I think these have to go in here under this loop, which is this assembly. This goes in there, and those 2 at the back, and that goes on last. These are the parts we need. I know, by trying to see if, I guess it doesn't matter what side goes in. No, it goes in that side. Alright, so I don't know, like he hit it in. Not yet.
I didn't call you. I didn't call anybody.
Two end caps in. Oops. 2 end caps are on. It just screws in like a, and then pops in. Screws in like a cork, and then you put one end in. Both ends are in now. Okay, notice I make sure leg bars are angled out, away from the top bar. Okay, that one looks like it's angled out, but this one angled in. I gotta change that one. Okay, to change this one, just gonna pop this out, unscrew these. Make sure to turn this around. This is not angled out. I have to make sure it's angled out. Okay, so now these are both angled out. Angled out. Oh. Angled out. And angled out.
What is it?
Okay, so that's angled out, angled out. Okay.
Yeah, it goes here. See, these buttons.
Okay, thanks for the instructions, sweetie.
That's now. And
Okay.
has some nails. See, it has gotten some nails.
Got screws, that's right.
It's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, it's angled out, include the lined rod
You see
to help align
buttons?
the holes.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess I didn't need the rod to line the holes. That's what that was for.
Yeah.
But got that.
It goes
Didn't need
three.
that.
And it has a slide.
Okay, next instructions. Oh, gotta put on the decal. Decal, apply a top decal bar. Apply top bar decal. Flexible flyer. I guess we can put it on later. Assembly 4. Ah, these go to the sides. Okay, let me get the screws out. Next up.
6, 7, 8,
Okay.
9, 10.
Now we need 8 of those, so keep 8 of those aside there. You gotta get 8 of these, 8 of these, and 4 of these. We
Yeah.
got 4. We now need 8 of
Yeah.
these. These are N6s for this part. No. Yeah, we put a washer in there.
The washer.
5x16 washer. Hold on, let's see.
Um,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, our helper is here.
Can you tell?
yeah.
My voice then. You're funny. I fly out at 9:30 today, so. Hold on.
The cap is under there.
I'll get it.
Might want to put a cap in under first, because your hand might not go under there.
What?
Your cap, the black cap.
Yeah, it went underneath. I'll get it. Thanks for reminding me.
Yeah, I guess when that goes on,
Yes.
you should put that on first before
It'll go in there.
you go in there.
Come
Okay.
on, Squid. Right? Nope. Come on, baby. Can you hold these right? Come on, baby. Get in there. Ooh, right there.
Okay, so that. That's what that was. Okay, so the plastic goes on there.
That's okay. Like it.
Then bar inside, washer.
Huh?
It just clips on.
Yeah, it hooks up right here. The hole lines up right here, but there.
Oh, it fell in.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Oh. Oh. Wow. Stubborn.
Okay, so this
Put that.
part already came assembled. The bottom part. See, those already came assembled.
Yeah, but you gotta say. Okay, negative. It goes in here.
That was there.
It goes in here. Yeah. Yeah, it goes there, right? And it goes there.
Slide assembly.
Well, this is shortening this.
Assembly. Cap goes at the bottom.
Okay.
Extra leg, arm goes there. This goes bolts. Bolt, washer, bolt.
Yeah, man. Oh, shit, man.
Side of this one. This small hole on this side.
Come on, baby. Oh, got that.
There you go, goes in there.
Tip over. Especially where.
This one got a hole too.
Person come.
No, that ain't cooking for you.
Ben, there's a rock right there. Ah. A rock.
A rock in a hard place.
Yes, the wrong place.
Maybe the ground dry rock.
Oh, wow. Two holes only. Yeah.
Got it.
That one in the
Knock it out?
It's right up.
No, once it's in, it's in. Now the setup is all finished. You got the slide and anchored.
Is it ready?
Not yet, in a second. Anchored.
Not yet.
Got screws in. To the right side.
You could put a little piece of
Down.
rock on the here.
It's coming up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
put right there.
and those anchors are supposed to go in the groove. The last part was this groove here.
Oh, is it?
The new screws that they wanted was went in there.
Yay!